So do I need a logo for my business? Is it essential? And where do I get one? So do you need a logo for your business? Well, no, you don't need a logo for your business. You need a marketing avenue or a consistent way to generate leads for your business. That's what you need. Now, one of the ways that you can develop that and cultivate it is through branding. And so if you're in a micro market or you're just you have a micro business, meaning you're just kind of in one market and you want to saturate that market, you want everybody to know who you are, then yeah, a logo is going to help, and the whole branding thing that goes with that's going to help. So you're going to want to really push your brand out there, which the logo is a big part of it. Now, do you need it to be successful? No, you need to do your job well, and that'll take care of a lot of it. But it does help to be able to generate a constant flow of leads if you have that brand recognition going with it. And then a logo is part of the brand recognition piece. Now, where do I get a logo? Canva.com, cheapest place. Now, there's other places if you want to spend money online. You can hire, VAs to do it. Obviously, your local market is going to have designers and stuff, but they're going to charge you a lot of money. Canva.com is free. There is a paid piece where you can get other options and other stuff offered to you, but I think it's like $12-13 a month or something. But so Canva.com is where I would go to do a logo.